Now, this is a really special car, and is there a better hot hatch to buy than the Golf R like this when it's fully loaded? Because we don't think so. Replacing a white one we sold almost identical to this yesterday with this Panoramic Blue example on a 23 plate. It's a one owner from new car with 10,000 miles, but listen to the specification. Golf R Performance Pack, which gives it the top speed increase, gives it the bigger wheels, it's the correct colour. Then we've got Akrapovic Exhaust, we've got Harman Kardon stereo, we've got reversing camera, we've got winter pack. So it's really got everything, including the panoramic sliding sunroof. For the money, find me a better example in this car than this one. We talk about condition, it's outstanding, it's been looked after, it's a one owner from new car. But with a performance pack, you've got different drive modes, you've got drift mode, you've got the bigger wheels. These wheels make the car for me, 19-inch polished. You'll see behind there we've got the blue Golf R braking calipers. From the exterior you'll see the chrome mirror casings, of course the panoramic sliding roof, a must in one of these cars. We've got keyless entry, heated seats and steering wheel with a winter pack. To the rear end you'll see the extended rear spoiler. That is part of the Golf R Performance package, which gives it the top speed increase and the drift mode. But then go down here, because an Akrapovic exhaust from the factory is a very, very hard option to find in one of these cars. I think that is the biggest selling factor in this particular example. IQ lights rear, IQ lights front, and of course this is a Golf, so we've got lots of practical space. Big boot, split folding seat, practical space in the rear for your rear passengers, including climate control for rear passengers, which is a nice little touch, isn't it? Going into the driver side of the car, big thing for me, the stereo. So in the B pillar you'll see we've got the Harman Kardon stereo system, which is a lovely feature in one of these. You'll probably know if you're looking for one. Into the doors you've got the carbon effect trim with the ambient lighting, folding door mirrors, Golf R sport seat, and Golf R obviously steering wheel, wraparound digital cockpit. Important features on one of these cars are things like the winter packs. You'll see if you look at the big screen we have the heated front seats, including heated steering wheel. Popping it in reverse, we've got the reversing camera, another lovely feature. So it is really a fully loaded version of this car. Wireless smartphone integration and charging down there, short shift gearbox, 2 keys. This car is brilliant, it really is. And with 166 miles an hour top speed, in fact I'll show you this. If we go into the modes of the car, we get the different drive modes extending out to drift mode, Nürburgring mode, and you can obviously tailor the car to drive to your driving pleasure through the system there. Now, this is a great car. It's the right colour, it's the right price, and it's the right spec. I don't believe it'll last very long, because anything we buy like this goes pretty much straight away. Thanks for watching.